Hello, everyone. Happy weekend. I hope you're good. I hope you had a great week. So, we just ended the second week of the month, and we give thanks to the Lord for His blessings and protection for the week. So, without further ado, let's hop into the video and see what news events affected the second week of the month and what news events are we expecting for the third week of the month. So, for X Factory, where we check the news events for the week. So as you can see, this is Monday, 7th to 11th of July. There was no news on Monday, there was no news on Tuesday, there was news on Wednesday, pound and USD, and there was news on Thursday, and there was a news on Friday. So it was quite a news-free week. Just few news on Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. So now for the new week we're about to commence, we have on Monday, bank holiday for Euro Monday, and Tuesday, the most important day for the week, CPI news event. And Wednesday we have GPP, CPI, and PPI for USD. Then Thursday we have core retail sales and unemployment claims. And Friday we have no news. So I'll be looking out for CPI for the week on Tuesday and Wednesday for PPI as well. So let's hop into the charts and see what the news events did on the dollar, on gold, on pound, on Bitcoin, and euro as well. Make this huge so we can see this clearly. So this is the daily time frame for the dollar. Excuse me. Oh. So if you look here, this is the time frame for the dollar, the daily time frame. So so this is the second week we just ended for the month of July. This is Monday, this Tuesday, this is Wednesday, this Thursday, and this is Friday. So Monday opens up and trades above previous week's high into this fair value gap. This candle's low and this candle's high. We have Monday hitting the fair value gap, could not close above. Tuesday tries to go above, could not close above. Wednesday the same thing. Thursday the same thing. Then Friday finally closes above the fair value gap on the daily time frame. So for the week the dollar was bullish. So for the new week, I want to see what the dollar will use this fair value gap for. If it's for resistance to go lower or support to go higher and take out these equal highs, then we'll see in the new week. So let's head down to the 1 hour time frame and see what the dollar did in individual days of the week. Yeah, connection is lagging. So this is the dollar on the hourly time frame. So this is the daily fair value gap dollar was playing around with. So this is Monday, this Tuesday, this Wednesday, this Thursday, and this is Friday. So this is Monday trading above the previous week high. That was this high right here. So this is the high of the previous week. It's supposed to be this one, but I just added these two together, kind of relatively equal. So Monday trades above the previous week highs, and Tuesday we have a continuation trying to go above that daily fair value gap from this 4-hour fair value gap. Where does this fair value gap come from? Hold on, let me check. Okay, so from Monday expansion, Monday left the fair value gap from Friday's high and Thursday's low. This fair value gap right here. This, you guys can see it. So there's a fair value gap right here. So that's the fair value gap on the hourly time frame for Monday's expansion. So this is Monday. So this is Monday. This Tuesday. This is Wednesday. It's Thursday. So price was just going in and out of that fair value gap from the daily time frame. And finally, we have a breakout on Thursday and Friday. Just trades above consolidating. So in a week where there is no main news driver or main event, you can see how small the ranges are for the days, right? There's no really explosive days like we had on CPI on NFP week. Yeah. So for the new week, I want to see that daily fair value gap. What price we want to use that daily fair value gap for? So that will be that for the dollar. Anyways, the dollar is being bullish. So the dollar being bullish from Monday up to Friday. You want to see pound go lower. You want to see euro go lower. Bold, big point as well. So for the new week, I want to see what this fair value gap will do. Let me make this visible on a lot of time frames. So I want to see what this fair value gap will do on price. This one as well. Even this one, that price is trading away from this one. It's a little fair value gap. Yeah. So that's about that for dollar for the week. Let's head down to another currency pair and see what. No, so this is gold. So this is gold. Gold opens up for the week from Monday. This Tuesday tries to go lower. Wednesday takes out Tuesday's low, puts in the low of the week. You see Wednesday reversing, try to go higher. Thursday the same thing. Then Friday goes higher into this old daily fair value gap. So gold was kind of bullish on the week. Even though the dollar was bullish, gold was bullish as well. So for the new week, I want to see this fair value gap being used as resistance to go lower because there are equal lows on gold as well. I'm keeping my eyes on these lows, this low right here and this candle's low right here. So if this fair value gap will be used as support to go higher, maybe previous month's high or these highs, these failure swings, these highs, and be attacked by price, but we'll see. So this Tuesday, this Wednesday, this Thursday, and this is Friday. Taking out previous week high and also taking out this high as well. Let's head down to the 1 hour time frame and see what gold did in individual days of trading. So this is gold on the hourly time frame. So this is gold on the hourly time frame. This is Monday, this is Tuesday, this is Wednesday, this is Thursday, and this is Friday. Let me score this previous week high. That's wrong. That's Monday's high. So this is Monday, this Tuesday, and this Wednesday, and this Thursday, and this is Friday. So Monday opens up and tries to go higher, trades above Friday's high for the previous week. Then we'll see Tuesday trading lower, taking out Monday's low. Then we'll see Wednesday opens up and take out Tuesday's low. Then we'll start trading the opposite direction from Tuesday's range. Then we'll have Thursday opens up and find resistance inside this favorable graph from the 4 hour time frame. Then start trading higher, taking out Monday's high and eventually trading into the previous week high and finding resistance at the favorable graph from the daily time frame. So for the new week, I want to see what price we do with this fair value gap. This one, if we're going to go higher, we'll see. If we're going to go lower, we'll see that as well. So that's about that for gold for the week. Let's head back to the daily time frame. So this is gold. If I'm going to go lower on gold, we'll see. If I'm going to go higher on gold, we'll see for CPI week. So it's going to be an interesting week for trading, by the way. The star of the week, Bitcoin. Bitcoin was crazy. Bitcoin was crazy. Bitcoin went crazy on Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. You can see taking out the all-time high that was created in what month? I think month of May. So all-time highs were created in the month of May, and we just put in a new all-time high on Bitcoin for 1117K. That's crazy. So we have Bitcoin using this fair value gap to go higher. So this is the second week of the month. This is Monday, this is Tuesday, this is Wednesday, this is Thursday, and this is Friday. Even though the dollar was bullish, but you can see Bitcoin. Yeah. It's everything happening around the world. Most of these are kind of expected and crazy. So I think I'll take this off. So this is the all-time high that was run out on Bitcoin, previous all-time high. So that's about that on Bitcoin. So for the new week, I don't know what Bitcoin wants to do. So individual days for Bitcoin for the week, as you can see, this Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, boom, boom, Thursday, Friday closes the week. So this is Monday trading lower into hourly fair value gap. Yeah, right here. Then Tuesday expands higher. Then Wednesday expands higher, way higher. Then Thursday we continue the move, taking out all-time highs, and Friday we close the week. So I think Bitcoin might have a retracement before we go higher, but we'll see. So that's about that for Bitcoin. And what's next? I think it's Euro and pound. So this Euro USD had a bullish dollar for the week. So as you can see, a lower Euro dollar. So if the dollar is going higher, you want to see Euro dollar go lower. You want to see pound dollar go lower. So this is Monday. You see Monday trading down to a previous week low, and Tuesday tries to go higher, but this small fair value gap here found resistance right there. Wednesday was an inside day, inside the range of the previous day, could not go outside the range. Then we have Thursday taking out to Wednesday's high, then trading lower. Then we have Friday inside there as well, inside Thursday's range, could not trade outside the range, taking out its low or high. So big so Euro was kind of consolidating for the week due to pound was kind of weaker than the euro. When we get to pound, you see what I'm talking about. So let's head down to the 1 hour time frame and see what individual days did for the euro. So this is take this off. So this is Monday, it's Tuesday, it's Wednesday, it's Thursday, and this is Friday. You can see this daily fair value up here. So this Tuesday, this daily fair value gap. You can see how Tuesday found resistance right there, trades lower. Wednesday tried to go higher, could not get in to that fair value gap. Then this hourly fair value gap, this hourly bullish fair value gap could not hold price to go higher if we were bullish. But since we were bearish, since the dollar was stronger than the euro, see this bullish fair value gap, this candle's high and this candle's low, could not hold price, price trades lower, and we fill in that fair value gap from the daily time frame, then we just consolidated on Friday. So for euro for the new week, what am I expecting? If this fair value gap will hold, we'll see. But if not, there's another fair value gap here. I want to see price trade down into if the dollar holds its momentum of being bullish. So that's about that on the euro and on pound. As you can see the difference. Let me take this off. So this is pound. See how the candles stand out more to you than that of euro. Let's go back and look and see. This is euro. This is euro USD on the daily time frame, and this is pound USD on the daily time frame as well. See how pound trades way more lower than the euro. Why pound was kind of weak than the euro during the week. So it's not just enough to have a direction of the dollar. Dollar is going higher, then you want to see euro and pound go lower, right? So which one of the two would likely trade lower? So we see pound being weaker than euro for the week. So pound traded lower than euro for the week. So this is Monday, this Tuesday, taking out previous week low. Wednesday, inside day, could not interact with either Tuesday high or Tuesday low. Then we have Thursday, taking out Wednesday's low, left the high, and went to Friday, sorry. Friday just trades lower, taking out both Thursday's low, Tuesday's low, posting the low of the week. So let's head down to the 1 hour time frame and see what individual days of the week for pound. So this is Monday. This is Monday. So this is Monday. This is Tuesday. Trades lower. Take out what previous week low. Then we see Wednesday trading into this fair value gap. Then Thursday could not go higher than Wednesday's high. Then we just traded lower. And Friday we trade lower as well. Taking out Thursday's low and Tuesday's low. So that is what pound did. So pound was weaker than the euro for the week. So we see pound trade lower, way more lower than euro. So what am I expecting for pound in the new week? So if we were to continue lower, I want to see this fair value gap being used as resistance to go lower on the new week. Like price might just trade up into it and we make the high of the week, then start going lower as well. So that's about that for pound. So I think that's a wrap on what I'll be expecting for the new week. So like, share, and comment, and thank you for your time if you're able to stay to the end. And have a great week. God bless you.